Hello everyone, Model Airport Nation here, back with another model airplane unboxing. Today, I have three brand new models here, two American Airlines A321 Neos, and one Boeing 737 MAX 8. All three American Airlines, of course, and these will be going on my Call Louis layout and my LAX layout. American Airlines terminal at my LAX has airplanes on it, but I feel like it could have a few more modern airplanes on it, as it is lacking airplanes. So focusing more in that department of the American Airlines terminal right now. So let's get these open and show you guys what they look like. Here's the American 737 MAX 8. Facts and everything right there. Back of the box here, 2018 Gemini Jets, Las Vegas. Looks pretty well intact to me. All right, here is the 737 MAX 8. Beautiful looking plane here. Can't wait to add this to my layout. Finally get some modern airplanes in the American Airlines world, or terminal. Really detailed. You can also put it on the stand. Gemini Jets models. All right, guys. Well, looks pretty good to me. Let's get on to the next box. Here is the A321 Neo. Beautiful looking aircraft. Details you need to know here. Let's look at the back of the box. 2023 Gemini Jets, Las Vegas. Awesome picture there. Let's get it open. Fresh new model here. Look at that. It's looking pretty good to me. Tire looks a little bit wonky, but I think it'll do. Oh no. We have lost an engine. So yeah, obviously this shouldn't happen because, you know, what you spend to get these airplanes, but fortunately I've developed a method of gluing this pretty much instantly onto the wing here without damaging it. So I am going to just glue that on there, and let's get the second A321 Neo open here and we'll see what it looks like. All right guys, Gemini Jets going for round 3 here. Let's see what we got. All right, it's looking pretty good. Let's get it set down here. There we go. All right, so it looks like this one made it through, but this one didn't. So we're gonna glue that back quick. So just stay tuned here. All right, guys. So basically what I use to glue these is the accelerator. Many people might not recommend this, but this is what I use for my models. So let's get that engine back on. All right, guys, after using some accelerator with some Instacure, it is now attached. So it's looking pretty good. We're gonna put it back in the fleet here. It's not the best, but sometimes this just happens and it's unfortunate and you have to fix your aircraft. So that's just what I do. I don't recommend doing this at all, but there's other ways to glue your aircraft as well. So look at videos out there for yourself and see the best ways to do that. All right, guys, here is the A321. It's looking pretty good here. Love the antenna on the back here, and this other antenna, and the other antenna. Got your beacon right there. Love the decals on the wings. So yeah, guys, this will be going right into service here. Looks pretty good to me. Here's the other one. All right, guys, the aircraft is now all fixed. The engine's looking great. We have all three right here that are going to be going into service here immediately. I believe I'm going to be keeping one A321 Neo at my Call Louis airport, and then this other A321 Neo and the 737 MAX are going to be heading down to LAX. So stay tuned, guys, as you'll see those in my new updates coming pretty soon. Please subscribe for more. Model Airport Nation. Leave a like up if you guys enjoyed the video. Also, Model Airport Nation on TikTok, Model Airport Nation on Instagram, LAX Model Airport on Instagram, and Call Model Airport on Instagram. Thank you guys, happy collecting, and we'll see you in the next video.